Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Countach LP800-4 and this is by Bburago from their premium 1/64 series. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I bought this for 950 rupees if I'm not wrong. So let's see how this one actually looks. Okay, now I found out why why I got this cut here because of this knife itself. Okay, so the acrylic case actually looks really neat, but don't use a knife to cut this wrapper because as you can see here, I put a mark on this acrylic, beautiful acrylic case. Next time I'm going to cut it from the bottom. Let's see. Let me pull this out. This is really tight actually. Okay, finally. Let me pull everything out. Okay, honestly, this looks really beautiful. I was not expecting that. So let me just remove this from this case. I was supposed to miss this casting. I since I had this car literally in every brand as far as I know. So at least this particular casting I have at least 10 of it, including 1:24 scale. So I was hesitant in taking this, but my wife actually told me that okay, this is actually only one, and only one was available in this particular color. Another one was white. So I have white in literally every other brand. So I thought okay, then it looked closer, it was a glittery black. So usually every brand messes up this black color. So I thought okay, so this is a glittery black. So I thought let's buy it and see how this one looks. So I think I made a right choice. Let's see. So the case looks absolutely beautiful. Again, this mark was made by me. So it is a very hard acrylic case and the display base looks really nice, and it has this carbon fiber pattern also. That is really neat. I think it's stick back. Okay, let me put this aside. I don't want to waste any time on talking about the acrylic case itself. Let's talk about this beautiful casting now. Honestly, out of the box, the paint job is really beautiful. I mean, I have a lot of black castings, but this one is kind of black with this glittery, kind of mild glittery green, I would say. I mean, I was not expecting this. I was expecting a glittery black, but not up to this level. This is absolutely phenomenal. And you can see the interior detailing here, the engine detailing and everything here. So let me see. I don't think this has any openable part. I don't think it has. No, it doesn't have. But the interior looks absolutely beautiful, and even the exterior looks absolutely beautiful. So it has acrylic headlights here. Actually, that is acrylic piece. So they painted inside of it, to match that, that LED bulbs, and it has acrylic tail light as well. So that is absolutely beautiful. You can see the Countach logo here. Wow. So I'm really happy that they actually did this. Okay, that is actually plastic. That is not even silicon like they do in Mini GT. So I'm really happy they went with this plastic and true to car rear view mirrors. Honestly, I'm really, really, really glad and happy that I bought this casting. So this actually has wiper detailing to it that looks absolutely beautiful, and this is a full metal body and plastic chassis here, and I'm not even complaining at this point. So this is like, so you can see the chassis here that has beautiful carbon fiber detailing to it, and the rims looks really nice. This has rubber tires. Wow, that makes me really happy, man. I mean, Wow, just wow. I don't see any paint issue at all, so that makes me really, really happy. I usually get a lot of paint issue in every casting, but this one, no. Okay, let's weigh this casting. I need to keep this really safe in this case. 30 grams. It's okay, not bad. Okay, let's see if it rolls. Again, I really don't mind about that, but since it has free rolling wheels, it rolls okay. It rolls okay. Yeah. Let's see if it has suspension. Okay, it does have suspension also. Honestly, the casting looks absolutely gorgeous. So again, guys, if you are able to get this particular color in this particular casting, please go ahead and get it. That is, you are not going to regret it. That is absolutely beautiful. Even though it doesn't have any opening part, so I would say this is really closer to mini GT in every aspect. The only difference being the plastic chassis here. So I really don't mind about that every time, but everything else really stands out in this casting. So it's a 10 by 10 casting. I don't have anything else to say. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.